Hello, Salsa! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa'yo, lahat sana ng birthday wishes mo, lahat mag-grant ni Lord. And sana you'll be able to have a very beautiful celebration of your very special day. Gusto kong pagbigyan yung isa sa mga request mo sa akin, nakantahin ko a few lines of our song, Now Within, with wala nga lang si Chris. And it goes like, I don't want to cry aloud, I want him to be the one to know that I'm in pain and he's the one to blame. Happy birthday, and sana you will always support my videos and lahat ng mga releases ko. Thank you always for being there for me, and God bless you.